Hello and welcome to my studio. My name is Derek. I'm a professional stained glass artist. I thought I'd introduce myself to you. Whichever platform you're watching this on, thank you for liking and subscribing and following me, because I'm here to help you guys with as much good advice, help, tutorials, inspirational videos, lots of good stuff as I can, so that you also fall in love with stained glass and start doing it as well. Because really, I want stained glass to survive and thrive in the 21st century. And it's in the hands of you guys, the creative community, to make that happen. So this little video that you're about to watch now is a little introduction to the type of work that I do, so you understand why it is that I'm putting all the videos out for you to enjoy. I've been working for nearly 40 years. This is my studio in South Leicestershire, and I make traditional stained glass windows the same way that windows have been made for centuries. The same type of hand tools and lead and glass that medieval craftsmen have used, I still use that type of technique today. These are examples of some of the projects that I've done. I do public art projects, so a lot of work for churches, but also theatres, schools, libraries, anywhere where you might see a decorative art feature. I love the fact that every project is different. One moment you're working for a school, the next minute you're working to create something more small scale. This is examples of domestic panels for front doors. It's just lovely to kind of change the scale up and change the techniques and change the methods. So as well as traditional stained glass, I work with decorative glass as sculptural pieces. This is an 11-meter high glass sculpture. And I also make screens that are bolted to the floor or hung from the ceiling on wires. There's lots of different ways you can use colored glass, and so it's a very flexible medium, and I have a lot of experience in working with lots of different public art projects. In addition to designing and making new stained glass, I do a lot of conservation work. I'm what's called an accredited stained glass conservator, so I work with period glass, from medieval glass to Victorian glass. So I wear different hats in my work, and in the last few years I've really wanted to pass on the skills that I've learned, so I teach a lot of stained glass now, either in my studio here. I do 1 and 2 day masterclasses, and people come from all over the world. If you look up Derek Hunt Artist on social media, and in particular on YouTube, you'll find inspirational videos and tutorials all about the wonderful world of stained glass. You'll find product reviews, studio tours, and a podcast where I interview some of the most interesting and exciting international stained glass artists working today. And we have a live stream broadcast every Tuesday evening, 8:30 p.m. from my UK studios, where you can join our international community of fellow creatives as we celebrate this wonderful world of stained glass. Hope you can join us. Bye for now.